The Today in Manufacturing podcast offers a powerful and unique perspective on the biggest stories impacting U.S. manufacturers. Anna Wells, David Manty, and Jeff Ranke apply their experience as editors of industry-leading brands Manufacturing.net and Industrial Equipment News in providing in-depth analysis of the latest headlines. Their insight, along with a mix of humor and human interest, makes Today in Manufacturing a go-to source. Keep pace with supply chain challenges, electric vehicle developments, labor struggles, robotics, and more by listening, downloading, and subscribing to the Today in Manufacturing podcast.
Eventually, NASA wants to send humans to Mars. But before the space agency can send astronauts on the 140 million mile trek to the Red Planet, they must conduct some serious testing. This research includes ground-based missions called CHAPEA, or Crew Health and Performance Exploration Analog. These missions involve a 4-person volunteer crew living full-time in a Mars simulation habitat called the Mars Dune Alpha for 1 year. NASA recently released the application for the 2025 mission, and the deadline to apply is April 2nd. The 3D-printed habitat occupies 1,700 square feet at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston. The habitat was made with Icon's next-generation Vulcan construction system and features 4 private crew quarters, workstations, a medical station, lounge areas, and galley and food-growing stations. During their year-long stay, the crew will complete various tasks including robotic operations, spacewalks, exercise, crop growth, and habitat maintenance. However, the mission is supposed to simulate the hardships of being on Mars. Therefore, the crew will face multiple challenges including equipment failures, communication delays, resource limitations, and other environmental inconveniences. The latest casting call serves as the second of 3 CHAPEA missions. The first crew checked into the Mars Dune Alpha last June and are scheduled to finish their mission this July. Last month, the team celebrated the 200-day mark. During their time in the simulation, the crew reported growing and harvesting crops, participating in Mars walks, and taking part in biological and physical science investigations. The application for the second mission is open to the public, but NASA isn't going to take just anybody and plans to follow standard criteria for astronaut candidate applicants. In addition to requiring degrees and experience in STEM, the medical field, or the military, NASA asks that applicants be U.S. citizens or permanent residents in the 30 to 55 age range, non-smokers, and proficient in English. NASA added that compensation is available. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.